like that. Up next is none other than Anna Gaza with the Sullivan Plus color detection feature. Anna?
The color detector I'm going to talk about is actually one of the features in the Sullivan app. As you know, this app does image recognition, OCR, and color detection. I'm only going to talk about color detection today. So,
Sullivan Plus. AI mode, capture, button, capture with the volume keys. Capture, button.
all right, we are on the main screen. Across the bottom we have menu, capture screen, and functions. We want to get to menu. We can tap that icon in the bottom left corner, or we can swipe right with 2 fingers.
Menu screen. Selected, AI mode, button.
Now here we have a series of options laid out vertically like a list. I'm going to go through some of them just to give you an idea in case you're not familiar with this app.
Text recognition, button.
Text recognition,
Face recognition, button.
face recognition,
Image description, button.
image description,
Fast text scan, button.
fast text scan,
Document recognition, button.
document recognition,
Color recognition, button.
color recognition. Excellent. We're going to tap that.
Single color. Capture, button, capture with the volume keys. Capture, button.
All right, we're back on the main screen. Now we're going to do some color detection. You can either tap the capture button or press one of the volume keys. Just a note, focus needs to be on the capture button for the volume key feature to work. All right, I'm going to point the camera at my exercise disc to find out what color it is. One of the volume keys.
Very dark bluish green.
Very dark bluish green, excellent. Now I'm going to point the camera at a throw pillow that I have, one of the volume keys.
Failed to recognize image.
Okay, this sometimes happens if I'm too close to the object. The camera, I find, needs to be about a foot away. A foot is 30 centimeters, roughly the distance between the tip of your elbow and your wrist.
Light yellowish brown.
All right, now this is interesting. I know that the throw pillow is pink, orangish pink, and next to the throw pillow is a wooden dresser. Light yellowish brown is usually what the color detector says when I'm pointing it at something made out of wood. So as blind people, we need to be very careful about positioning the camera. I usually lay the camera on the object and then pull away carefully. Let's try again.
Reddish gray.
And there you have it.
That would be it about color detection.